Hello and welcome to my next episode of Globe Trooper. And today we are in another South Goan village called Betalbatim, a village that was named after the famous Betal from the epic Vikram and Betal. Right now I'm standing at Betalbatim's most famous church, which is the 17th century Our Lady of Remedios, and I'm going to take you inside right now. Look at this. This is fantastic. One of the most beautiful 17th century churches that I've ever seen. Absolutely stunning. We're quite lucky that we managed to sneak inside because the church was closed when we arrived, but they just opened it for the mass that will happen after 30 minutes. So we're quite fortunate, very happy to seek the blessings of Christ. Next, in Betalbatim, we are going to check out a local traditional baker because Betalbatim is known for its bakers who've been baking bread since centuries. And there's one particular bread called the ball bread, which is made out of sugar, coconut and white flour, and that's what I want to go and try.
I'll put coconut, ghee and sugar and maida.
And you make it every
Sunday and Wednesday.
Every Sunday and
Wednesday, yeah. Because my bread and all is very tasty. And so many people are come here to buy the bread. Every Sunday, then make a lot of people came to buy the bread here.
So that was quite a fun time with the Rodriguez family from Betalbatim, who have been bakers traditionally. And I really enjoyed having the sweet ball bread, which is made out of coconut, ghee and white flour. Next, we are going to go to see the sunset in one of the finest beach in South Goa, which is the Betalbatim beach. Let's go. So we have reached the beautiful Betalbatim beach, which is also known as the glowing beach of Goa, because the shoreline of the beach some nights illuminates because of the presence of bioluminescent algae. This is a phenomena that people normally see in South American countries and travel that far. But come on guys, we have this in Goa and you have to visit this beach. Betalbatim is also a beach where you would find pine trees instead of coconut trees. A strange thing because the beach right next to it, which is Colva, where we went in our last episode, had coconut trees. But this one is a pine tree beach. Next week, we'll take you to another place, but in the meantime, please press the subscribe button, follow our channel, and we'll keep bringing you more travel stories. For now, bye-bye.